And so our myth today is Social Security can just yank your benefits right out from under you, like almost overnight. So can you explain that to us?
That myth is a myth. That is a false assertion that Social Security will not yank your benefits overnight. There are a few things that can cause your benefits to come to an end fast or quickly. The most obvious one is any kind of fraud. If you have not been truthful with Social Security, or you have kept important information away from them, or even told them incorrect information. The most obvious one that kind of comes to mind is that you have been working and you haven't told Social Security that you're working. That can lead to them coming to the conclusion that you are making more than you're allowed, and that can cut your benefit. That can lead to your benefits being cut off, and being cut off pretty quickly. So anything where you are being untruthful or involved in any kind of fraudulent activity as far as reporting stuff to Social Security. Besides that, if you are booted off benefits, it takes a process that Social Security goes through. We've done a previous podcast on continuing disability review, where Social Security goes through this process of collecting information from you, having you fill out a form, and then they will decide whether there's enough information where they want to cut you off in those situations. But that's a lengthy process. That's not something that can happen quickly. They need to report any kind of information like that, workers' compensation benefits, any kind of income that they've got coming in. You need to make sure that you're reporting that to Social Security. Bottom line is that they really will not cut your benefits off overnight unless there's some kind of fraud involved.